then of course I don't have I saw her Facebook post, and like she said she said the baby died. This morning I messaged her, Ate, how's your baby, like this, and she's crying, and I said the baby died. So, oh my god, condolence. My nails is not finished. This is not yet finished, guys. It's undone. Like, it's okay. It's not important. I feel like it's my nails is not important. Okay, bring your baby to the hospital and pay her, because she asked me to do my nails because she don't have money. She need to have money then to do my nails. So I said, okay, I paid ate, then go. Then I was so sad. I was so sad. I feel like, oh my gosh. Like I feel like, oh my god, it's so early in the morning you can receive this kind of messages. Oh, then she's crying. Yes, of course. Hmm. Hmm. Ha. They don't have food. They don't have food. Imagine. So guys, she had she has 4 children. The two is big already. The three is big already than the newborn. Hello, Usbigimin, Elvic. Hi to you. Hi to Henreo. Jesus. Hello, Jesus. Henreo. Hello. Mm. Hello, everyone. And he said the baby died. I was so sad. And I feel like, how can I help you? It's like that. I said, the baby, hi, good morning. Yes, hello, good morning, Usbigim. Good morning, let's eat pancit, guys. Hmm. So, I feel sad for her. The baby was a baby boy. Ah. Hello to Usbigim. Usbigim. Hi, everyone. Make sure you do subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Yes, hello to Usbigim. Hello, my friend. Yes, sir. How are you? Let's eat pancit, guys. Hey, you there? Are you there? No, I left the building. Okay, okay. Take care, take care. This is pancit, guys. Ahaha. Hello, love. I miss you. Orhan Kaya, yes, I miss you too. How are you, Orhan? It's pancit. Of course, I'm here. Ah, okay.